So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making simple but tasty ogbono soup with spinach. This is my meat and it has been boiling now for about 40 minutes, and I am using turkey gizzard, afano in Igbo language. This is it, and I am using stock fish as well, so that is my stock fish. So yeah, I have been boiling this for a bit now, and the meat is soft and tender, and it is time to start cooking the soup. I'm going to add a bit of a hot water. So I added a bit of hot water because there is no water in the pot, so I'm going to cover it and let it boil for 5 minutes, and then I will add my ogbono. So now I am going to add my ogbono. So this is my ogbono, and this ogbono has been in the freezer. I normally keep mine in the freezer, so I am going to add it. So this is a boiling method, there is a frying method. I am not doing frying method, I just want something quick and easy. So I am going to add my ogbono in the pot. And I am going to allow this ogbono to boil for 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes I am going to add my red oil. So now after adding the red oil, I am going to leave it to cook for another 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I am going to start adding my ingredients. So that is Maggi, and I'm going to add 4 of the Maggi. I am going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add 2 spoons of the crayfish. I am going to add my chili. I'm going to try it and see if it has enough salt. I'm going to add a bit of a salt because it has a little bit of salt from the one I use in cooking the meat. Add a little bit of water because I feel like it's too thick. All right, okay, that is it. So now I'm going to add my spinach. This is frozen spinach that I'm using. So I'm going to leave this for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my okra soup is ready. This soup is very tasty and it's so simple to make. It doesn't take much time, but it's delicious. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.